Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get all my latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is Shini from the CyberCare YouTube channel, and in the previous video I've shown you what's so new in Kali 2017.2. If you haven't seen this video yet, please check that out video in the top corner right now. And in this video is about a new tool which is included in Kali 2017.2, which is SSH Audit. You can install that with the easy command apt install SSH-audit. As these repositories are already included in the Kali 2017.2, you can easily install it. But if you are using an older Kali Linux version, you may have to update your operating system to get this repository to your PC. So this is a command. I'll keep this command in the description below so that you have to, you can copy paste easily. You don't have to worry about visibility. This is apt space install space ssh-audit space -y. So I have already installed it, so it will not it will tell that it's already installed or something. So to use it, it's very simple. First of all, you need to have a SSH target, which means I have a SSH target here. If you just check out -p22 192.168.0.151, I have a OpenSSH device running. So if you have that kind of device, you can perform audit on that particular encryption algorithms and exchange algorithms, etc. So it's pretty simple to use it. It's all you have to do is SSH-audit, and then you give the target IP address. There are a bunch of other options which I will show you once this basic audit is completed. So you hit enter so that it will perform audit on the target, and it will let you know. It's pretty quick also. So if you just go up, you can see that the basic details first of all, and then it gives you what kind of key exchange algorithms they are using, and then different details about that. For example, first of all, they are using Diffie-Hellman group exchange SHA-256 algorithm actually, which is custom size modulus, and it is possibly weak, so it's better to change that. And this thing is available since OpenSSL 4.4. These people are using 4.7 right now, and they are also using Diffie-Hellman group exchange SHA-1 version actually, and which is removed in the server in OpenSSH 6.7 onwards, which means OpenSSH people thought that this particular algorithm is not safe to use anymore, so that they have removed. But still, as these people are using 4.7, which is older version, there is a vulnerability. People can see through your contents, etc. So it's better to change. As you can see that using weak hashing algorithm, and then it's available since OpenSSH 2.3.0. So it's better to move towards something better. So which you have to move toward. For example, if you see here, it was removed in OpenSSH 6.7, which means 6.7 or later, if you use this, vulnerability will not be there. Okay, so just like that, you can scroll down and you can see that host key algorithms, what they are using, encryption algorithms, what they are using, and how they are vulnerable and when they are removed. All of that is available. See unsafe algorithm and using weak cipher mode, so you can get the details why it is vulnerable, why it is showing in red color, etc. like that. So which version, if you use, this problem will be eliminated. That information also you can get it here. So like that, it gives a pretty good info about the target as such things actually. So the name justifies SSH audit. There are bunch of other options if you wanna try. Not great options, but it's good. For example, if you want to only force SSH 1 or 2, you can do that by giving -1 or 2. Or if you want to focus on only specific versions like IPv4 or IPv6, you can try that. For example, if your target is using some custom port other than 22, in such cases you can use -p option. So like that, we have color output, right? So you can disable that color output and giving batch outputs, etc. details, all of that you can try if you want. So I guess this will be somewhat helpful for you guys. So check it out, and if you like this video, keep a like. And if you want to get similar kind of videos like that, so let me know in the comments section below. And that's all for this video. Have a nice day.